Hello everyone, I'm Knoxville Mayor Indya Kincannon. I want to take a moment to talk to all of you about COVID-19. These are unprecedented and uncertain times, but one thing is certain, we are all in this together. The Knox County Health Department is the lead local agency, and I really appreciate the guidance from Dr. Martha Buchanan. Knox County Mayor Glenn Jacobs and I were on hand this week as leaders from across the community opened the Emergency Operations Center with a particular focus on addressing the social service needs of our community as we face many cancellations and interruptions. Earlier this week, I also declared a state of emergency for the city of Knoxville. This clears the way for me to be able to make flexible decisions in the interests of our community, both in terms of budget and other policy decisions. While I hope more drastic measures are not needed, we do know that they are steps that we can all take right now to help stop the spread of COVID-19. This will help flatten the curve, reducing a spike in cases that could overload the healthcare system. So what are the steps that you can take as the people of Knoxville right now? Wash your hands all the time, as often as you can, with hot soapy water. If you can't have access to hot water and soap, use antibacterial lotion. Cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze with the inside of your elbow or a tissue. Avoid crowds. This is called social distancing, and this is for everybody, young or old. Nobody is immune from this disease, and even if you're asymptomatic, you can transmit it to other people in our community unknowingly. So everyone needs to practice social distancing, staying at least 6 feet away from everybody when you're out in the public. Avoid touching your face, which is also very hard, but it's very important. And stay home if you're sick. And if you feel any symptoms or feel sick, call your doctor before seeking medical treatment. While I have your attention, I also want to thank the many businesses for making the tough decisions to close in the name of public health. We thank you for recognizing that closing now could help stop the spread of this virus, and closing now can reduce the overall negative economic impact in our community. Westtown Mall, Main Event, Cafe 4, and so many others, thank you. To the local churches closing their doors or going to online services, thank you. And a big thanks to everyone pulling together in our community to help the most vulnerable, to feed our children while school is out, and to those working on ways to provide financial assistance to all those affected by the closures and sickness that is in our community. We have expanded resources for you on the City of Knoxville website as you continue to look for answers and guidance. Remember, we are all in this together. Stay healthy.